Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. It's time to learn maths. Open your countdown book 2. So students, we were revising the chapter number 3, that is subtraction. And today we will revise page number 42 and page number 43. Our today's topic is subtraction, in which we learn about the converting. Look students, we have learned about the converting of tens and ones in the concept of addition, and here we are revising subtraction, and we will do the conversion of tens and ones in the subtraction process. Okay, now look at the sums. For example, students, you are in a party and there are 52 balloons at a party, okay, and 27 burst. Total balloons are 52 and 27 of them are burst. How many balloons are left? We will have to find out the balloons that are left in the party. In total, we have the 52 balloons and we have to subtract 27 balloons from it. Okay, look students, you are very well familiar to these blocks. These are showing the tens and this one is showing the ones. Here we have taken the 52 blocks. These are the 5 tens and here we have the 2 ones. Now the question is, we have to subtract the number 27 from these blocks. Look students, here we have the only 2 ones. How can I subtract the 7 ones from these 2 ones? Remember students, I will take 1 carry or 1 tens into this ones block. Okay, I will take this 1 tens and that will be changed into 10 ones. Look in this way. Here we have the 5 tens. I have taken the 1 tens from this side and have changed into 10 ones here. Okay, look students, now we can subtract the 7 ones from this side. Okay, I will subtract the 7 ones or cross the 7 ones blocks, then we will get the answer. Okay, look, we had only 2 ones blocks here and we have taken another 1 tens from this side and we have make 10 ones block from that one. Okay, now here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now here we have the 12 ones. We can easily subtract the 7 ones from this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Look, I have crossed the 7 ones blocks here and we're left with 1 2 3 4 and 5. We're left with the 5 ones and the 4 tens. So look, we have solved our ones portion by taking 1 carry from the tens column, and in the tens column we have left with only 4 tens, and now we will subtract the number 2 from the 4 tens. Okay, look students, I have crossed these 2 tens blocks from the 4 hole and we have left with only 2 tens blocks. Just like this, we have the 5 ones here and the 2 tens here, and that can be written also in this way. Look, there was the 2 and the 7. We subtracted the number 7 from the 2 by taking 1 carry from the tens, and here we got the 12 ones, and we subtracted 7 ones from the 12 ones, and our answer was 5. Here we left with the 4 tens. We subtracted 2 tens from the 4 tens, and we left with the 2 tens. So when we subtract 52 and 27, our answer will be 25. So in the party there were 52 balloons, 27 was burst, and we left with the 25 balloons. Okay students? Students, now open page number 43. Look students, in the page number 43 we have a tiger, and tiger is very confused to solve these sums. This is the sum of the tiger. He wants to subtract number 26 from the number 43. Look, we will start from the ones column. Here we have the number 3 and the number 6. We can't subtract the number 6 from the number 3. What will the tiger do? Students, help the tiger. Look student, tiger is saying, I need more ones. Can you help him to take more ones? Yes, we can help him. We will take 1 tens from the tens column, and we will convert that tens into ones column. Okay? Look students, when we will take 1 tens from this side, here we left with the 3 tens, and that ones will be converted into 10 ones, and here we get the number 13. Now the tiger can easily subtract the number 6 from the number 13. Look students, our tiger has taken 1 tens from the tens column, and he has changed that tens into 10 ones, and now he has 13 ones to subtract the number 6. Okay students, now let's help tiger to solve this sum. Let's subtract the number 6 from the number 13. Tell me the answer. When we subtract number 6 from the 13, we get our answer, that is 7, and we will write the 7 exactly beneath the ones column. And now in the tens column we left with the 3 tens, and here we have the 3 tens, and we will subtract the 2 tens from the 3 tens, and our answer will be, tell me students, our answer will be 1. Look students, our tiger is so happy as we helped him to solve his sum, and he is saying that now I can subtract. Look students, when we subtract the number 26 from the 43, we get our answer, that is 17. Now students, let's try to solve our own sums with the same process. Look, in this we have to subtract the number 47 from the number 65. We will start subtraction from the ones column. Look, in the ones column we have the number 5, and we can't subtract the number 7 from the 5 because 5 is smaller number. So we will take 1 carry from the tens, and we will convert that tens into ones. Here when we cut down this number, we are left with the number 5 here, and we will convert that one into this way, and here we get the number 15. It will not become 6 students, it will be 15. We will write this one with the 5. Here we have the number 15. When we subtract 7 from the number 15, we get our answer, that is 8. We will write our answer just beneath the ones column. Here I am writing our answer. And in the next, look, now we will solve our tens column. In the tens column, here we left with 5. So we will subtract our number 4 from the 5 and our answer will be 1. So students, we have solved our first question. When we subtracted the number 47 from 65, we get our answer, that is 18. Here is our next question. We will have to subtract the number 25 from the number 72. We will start subtraction from the ones column. Look, here we have the number 2 and here we have the number 5. We can't subtract the number 5 from the 2 because 2 is a lesser number. So we will take one carry from this. Here we left with the number 6 and here we get the number 12. We will subtract 5 from the number 12. Tell me students, when we subtract 5 from the 12, we get our answer, that is 7. So I will write the 7 just beneath the ones column here. And this is our tens column. We will solve this one. Here we left the number 6. When we subtracted the number 2 from the number 6, we get our answer, that is, tell me students, we get our answer, that is 4. So when we subtracted 25 from the number 72, we get our answer, that is 47. So easy. Our next part is C. And we have the numbers 51 and 28. Let's try to solve it. We can't subtract the number 8 from the 1, so we will take one carry from the tens. Here when we take one carry, here we left with the number 4. Remember students, and here we get the number 11. Yes. Now we will subtract number 8 from the 11 and we get our answer, that is 3. Look students, we have solved our ones part. Now we will solve the tens portion. In the tens, we left with the number 4 and we have to subtract the number 2 from this. When we subtract 2 from the 4, we get our answer, that is 2. So when we subtracted the number 28 from the number 51, we get our answer, 23. Here is our part D. We will subtract the number 19 from 33. Let's start from the ones column. When we subtracted 9 from the 3, it can't happen so we will take one carry from the 3. Here we left with the number 2 and here we get the number 13 here. When we subtracted 9 from the 13, we get our answer, that is 4. We will write the 4 just beneath under 9 in the ones column. And now it's the turn for the tens column. We will subtract the number 1 from the number 2 and we get our answer, that is 1. So when we subtracted 19 from 33, we get our answer, 14. Here is our next part E. We will subtract 26 from the number 90. Look students, here we have the number 0. We can't subtract 6 from the 0. So we will take one carry from the tens column. Here we left with the number 8 and here we get the number 10. When we subtract 6 from the 10, we get our answer, that is 4. And in the next, when we subtract 2 from the number 8, we get our answer, that is 6. So subtraction of 90 and 26, answer is 64. Here is our part F. We will subtract 27 from the number 44. We can't subtract 7 from the 4, so we will take one carry from the tens column and here we left with the number 3 and here we get the number 14. When we subtract the number 7 from the 14, we get our answer, that is 7, and we will write this 7 just beneath this in the ones column. And now we will subtract the tens column. When we subtracted 2 from the number 3, we get our answer, that is 1. So subtraction of 44 and 27, our answer is 17. Next is our part G. We will subtract 48 from the 83. We can't subtract 8 from the 3. So again we will take 1 carry, and here we left with the number 7, and here we get the number 13. We will subtract 8 from the number 13 and we get our answer 5 here. And then here we left with 7. When we subtracted 4 from the number 7, we get our answer 3. So subtraction of 83 and 48, we get the answer 35. Here is part H. We will subtract 36 from the 54 in the same manner. We can't subtract 6 from the 4, so we will take 1 carry. Here we will left with the number 4, and here we get the number 14. When we subtract 6 from the 14, we get our answer, that is 8. And here we left with the number 4, so we will subtract the 3 from the 4 and our answer will be 1. So subtraction of 54 and 36, answer is 18. This is our part I. We will subtract 89 from the 98. We can't subtract the 9 from the 8. We will take carry. Here we left with the number 8, and here we get the number 18. When we subtract 9 from the 18, we get the number 9. That will be written in the ones column just beneath this way. And here we left with the number 8. Now students, we can't subtract 8 from the 8. When we subtract the same numbers, we get the answer 0. So here we get the number 9. When we subtract 98 and 89, we get the answer 9 only. Here is our part J. We will subtract 47 from the 73. We can't subtract 7 from the 3, so we will take 1 carry. Here we left with the number 6, and here we get the number 13. When we subtract the 7 from the 13, we get our answer, that is 6, and we will write the 6 just beneath the 7 in the ones column. And here we are left with the number 6. Now we will subtract 4 from the number 6 and we get our answer, that is 2. So subtraction of 73 and 47 is 26. Next is part K. We will subtract 25 and 18. We can't subtract the 8 from the 5, so we will take 1 carry. Here we left with the number 1, and here we get the number 15. When we subtracted the number 8 from the 15, we get our answer, that is 7, and we will write the 7 in the ones column. Now look students, here we have the same numbers 1 and 1. So the subtraction of the same number, answer is 0. We will write the 0 here. It means that when we subtracted 18 from the 25, our answer is only 7. Next is the last part of this page. Here we have the number 75 and 47. Tell me students, how can we solve this answer? Here we have the number 7 that we can't subtract from the 5. So what will we do? We will take 1 carry from this, lefting the number 6. And here we get the number 15. When we subtracted the number 7 from the 15, we get our answer 8. And we will write the 8 just beneath the ones column. And then we will subtract the tens column, that is 4 and 6. When we subtracted the number 4 from the 6, we get our answer, that is 2. So subtraction of 47 and 75 is 28. Okay students, hope this subtraction and converting concept will be clear to you. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.